Guys, this is AG Boys again. I know we haven't made a video in a long time, but that is because we are busy with everything, with work, other stuff. But now today we are back here again to do a video. This video will not be like an instructor video. It's just me doing it. Just want to show you guys how I fixed the power steering in my 1985 Nissan 300ZX. And and also I want to give out some content out there too, because I know I've been slacking in that department. But yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do today. And also for today, what I am thinking of doing is changing out the power steering fluid first, and after that, if the steering is still hard to turn in the car, then I'll have to change the power steering pump, which I do have the part inside the house. All right, so here's the engine bay. I just well, here's the reservoir for the power steering fluid. I'm not sure, but I'm not really sure if it's dirty or not, but once I suck it out with the turkey baster, I'll know for sure. Also, here's a good look of here's the power steering pump. If changing the power steering fluid doesn't work out, then I'll have to change the power steering pump, which I will going to do if it doesn't work out. As you can see here, as I suck up the power steering fluid, you can see that it looks very dirty and we need to change it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so all I want to do now is get something that's empty, like for example, like a lemonade container. And then all I want to do is just take all the liquid out, make sure you don't spill on your engine. And just repeat sucking it out and then pouring it in. See, I'm not sure why not a lot's coming out, but I guess something is better than nothing. Yeah, just keep on doing that. I put the car on the jack and I raised it up so that when I turn the wheel from inside the car, more liquid should be coming out of there. Alright, so I'm inside the car right now. So just get your key and just turn it on. Then all you gotta do now is just turn the wheel lock to lock one side. Other side. And then just keep on going for a few rounds. And I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it did raise up a little bit, so we're gonna suck up the rest of the liquid. One thing I would recommend is looking up your service manual to see how much power steering fluid you can put in. And here it says that you can put in a 0.9 liter or 1/7 out of 8 pint, which if you convert to that will be 30 ounces, which is this whole bottle right here of power steering fluid. And I'm going to fill up the car with this power steering fluid. Let's go, guys. Power steering fluid, and then carefully fill it in, which would be kind of harder if I'm doing this with one hand. So I'm just gonna do it from the top. Just careful not to spill. All right, as you can see, the power steering fluid looks more clean. And now all we gotta do is just cap it in. And after this, we're gonna turn on the car for a few seconds, turn it off, and then refill it some more. All right, so clutch in, and let's turn on. Leave it on for a few seconds, and then just turn it off. Alright, so now after putting some more fluid inside, we got to jack down the car. So after jacking down the car, what we're gonna do now is turn on the car and leave it there for a few minutes. And after those minutes, we're gonna turn the wheel side to side, and what that's doing is we're bleeding out the air that's in the system, and that will let the liquid go down more to the power steering pump. All right, so now we got bleeded. So turn it from one side. Turn it to the other side. And let's keep on going from there. Alright, so you want to check the reservoir to see if it's still full. And as you can see, it's still full right now. I think it's time for me to go for a ride to see how it feels. I took out a little bit more, but as you can see, it's still dirty. It's the new power steering fluid mixed in with the old one. But I'm gonna fill in some more, and then that'll be the end of it. Alright, so after driving it for a little bit, the car did feel better, but it turns out that we do need to replace the power steering pump, which we will do soon. But at least I know that the fluid is new. So yeah, hey, but nothing is ever going to work out the way you want to, but you just gotta keep on trying. But with that said, make sure you like, subscribe, and subscribe to us.